Hey, weldingtipsandtricks.com. This is Nick with Richards Metalworks out here in my fab shop today. Wanted to make you a little video. I've been watching quite a few of yours. It inspired me to do a little TIG welding here. I've got this machine that I bought a few years ago, and it's a Miller Synchrowave 200. I don't know how well you can see it because I got a couple fluorescents burn out in here. It's a Synchrowave 200, and been a good little machine. I've done a little bit of steel welding with it, but haven't really done too much TIG. I've used it to do some stick welding. Most of what I do in the shop here is done with the Millermatic 212 over there, and that's been a good little machine for me. But with the TIG getting set up on it now, I've started doing some aluminum. My neighbor gave me some aluminum scrap, and I've been over here burning on it. And what I wanted to ask you about is I wanted to know about sizing for the filler rod and for the tungsten. Been running this 3/32 pure tungsten here. As you can see the end there, they keep balling up like that like crazy. So I'm thinking that I need to go to a bigger tungsten because I keep grinding them into a fine point, and I keep my lines going down towards the tip. And that's just something I'd like to hear you talk on about, picking the right tungsten, what the different types of tungsten are, what you need to use for aluminum, stainless, and steel, and how you need to grind them for each. And just, picking if you want a 3/32 or 1/8, and kind of the same thing goes for the filler rod. I'd like to hear you talk about that. Also, pull my torch out here. The cup on it broke today. I was trying to walk the cup, and the end of it cracked off. I was fixing to tack this pipe together and weld it out. That's some 4-inch Schedule 40 aluminum. But let's gotta go down and get a new cup tomorrow. I'm out of them. So, and then just been practicing a few beads, burning up as many pieces as I can here. Just doing a few of these and a few of those, and kind of hanging out around the shop playing with it. I'm starting to get kind of an idea for it. The one thing I did want to pick your brain on too is I've noticed here doing this. This is some 3/32 material, or excuse me, 3/16 material going to a piece of material that's about 1/2 inch thick. Now on this piece here, as you can see, when the weld started out here, it was really boogery. It didn't want to heat up, and then all of a sudden it started to go real nice and everything. And I wanted to see if you know why that might be and what I can do to prevent that. Coming around, walking around that piece of pipe there, I was actually able to produce some decent looking beads. What I did notice is over here it started cratering and started, my arc started deflecting down into the bottom piece, and I was having to hold the torch so that it was pointing almost straight into the side like this to get the weldment to go up there. And I wanted to see if there's a way I can get around that and anything that I can do to change that. So anyhow, that's all for now. Thank you.